gave you my soul.
Oh, you bought it for or tea like that. Y'all can't. Hey loves, right now I'm getting ready for the day because it's the last day of school. I just showed you guys a little pic of my outfit. Today's the last day of sophomore year. That's crazy to say. And right now I'm just getting ready for the day, regular routine. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, major, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel.
You know it, better believe it.
And right now I'm gonna do my edges, then we're gonna progress. That looks like a top type of thing from Shein. It's gonna be in my Shein haul coming soon, coming to you. Then we have this dress from Forever 21, this bow from Amazon. I have it for my outfit later, and I just put it in my hair one time because my other outfit's on the bed for later today. And then I have my Shein little shoes. They're clean, so I'm gonna show you guys them. They're really cute. And it's like I'm having a cream and white day, and it's tea. Then lastly, we cannot bring a bag to school. So then I'm gonna go in with my Coach purse that my cousin gave to me. Thank you, Deanne. And it's literally one of my favorite purses because it's so tea and small. And then I have my little earrings from Kate Spade. My mom bought me them for Christmas 2 years ago, and I just started wearing them because I have an issue about changing earrings out. That just don't happen to me. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna sit here and change earrings out all day. The earring that's in my ear at night is the same one that's gonna be in my ear in the morning. And yeah, really cute. I'm taking my hair out soon, y'all. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's it for the video. I'll catch you guys in school on my camera.
You know it, better believe it.
I kind of want spicy too.
Big.
Yes. No, because I was thinking that too. Like, I can't in photos because it's gonna like shock everybody and they're gonna pass out, right?
She agreeing, y'all. You know it. All right, y'all. We're done. Tag is oh, no, that's not your tag. That was your bow. That was your bow. Definitely was your bow. Yeah, no, we need help. Y'all, we need help. I promise y'all. They usually give them this for like. Okay, what are we getting to drink, guys? Let's focus. If she's gone.
Okay, but I don't need it. Oh.
What do you think? It has to look cute with our outfit. We do. Because we're holding them. I think we should do this. We're gonna like pull this down and do cute photos. This is actually cute. Hold on, I'm blowing it. Oh, you bought it for real? Don't blow me. I just spent $9. We're waiting on Mariah to wear her little corset, y'all. When we take our photos and y'all see this in the thumbnail, I don't want to hear nothing from y'all. Y'all friend groups don't be doing like stuff like us. Y'all could never, would never. Never on our level. Never gave our level.
Never gave no beef online.
Never gave no messiness. Y'all can never clock us at no campus. That's all I gotta say. Cannot clock us on no campus. Y'all cannot go to our school and clock our tea like that. Y'all can't. There's nothing to clock. There's nothing to clock. On the down low. Please go. We really gotta go for it. We really do. Now I just fed this girl, bro. Put down. I put my foot down. She's looking over here. I'm trying to go. Alright, y'all need to have your friend group and then have friends. Y'all gotta and you need to know, like, y'all don't gotta be with each other. We don't be with each other all the time, bro. But when we pull up, it's over with. There's a difference. You will never know.
Oh. This is that part.
You be the baddest girl around.
same place. All the niggas around me, they die.
Not just for the meanwhile, for a long, long time. Better believe it. Whenever you're not in my presence, it feels like I'm missing my blessings, yeah. So I sleep through the daylight, stay awake all night, till you're back again, oh yeah, yeah. You think I'm biased to my significant other? You hit it right on the head, only been missing my lover. Got a phone that I text on my phone and I don't reply. The next day boss said you are the medicine man.
Friends, y'all.
No, you're not supposed to lay on it. I'm gonna head down on her. Yeah. And then
Oh, don't leave me. But I love you. Yo, no.
Yeah, yeah. Ain't worried about nobody else. The things you love myself. You make me complete. You're all that matters to me. Yeah, yeah. King, babe, without a queen.
we made it outside. You get pissed Nothing ever.
Oh, listen, wait me, baby.
Just take it, honey. Ready? And that background thing. Wait, I want to do it like. Ooh, she's taking it. Yes. Taking it, honey.
Run on my pants and my cheeks. Chanel dress, you know my mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, truly blessed. Who's on the table? And they come pull like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet.
Thank you.
They teach you for this. I drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got
Almost at 1K, y'all. Clock it. Subscribe. Thank you.
can't see, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and kiss me.
Trip out. I don't know how to do that.